Hello everyone. Welcome to the Model Express channel. Today I bring you the Aquarius from the Toypoint Star Origin series. I think the biggest highlight of this product is the brand new design. Toypoint's previous products have more or less some shadows of Bandai Saint Myth Cloth God Gold in their designs, and can be regarded as a modified version based on the original. However, the design of Aquarius this time is completely free of the shadow of Bandai, and the brand new design concept gives people a refreshing feeling. Perhaps from the perspective of the original work, there is no sense of resonance, but the gorgeous performance combined with the brand new design makes it an excellent work. First, let's make a comparison. The Holy Cloth form uses blue transparent parts to make the water effect more dynamic. Compared with the Bandai design, the kneeling posture is changed to a cross-legged sitting posture. The TP design appears more tense and agile. The Bandai water flow shaped TP is replaced by a cloth. There is iron wire buried in the cloth, which can be posed in any shape. This design is very good. The new shape also makes up for the need for water flow shape. In human form, Saint Cloth is almost completely changed. The parts are not modified according to the setting of Aquarius God. The armor, skirt armor, leg armor, and back parts are all brand new. The design is really eye-catching. But what does this design look like? My first impression is the character setting of Battle Through the Heavens, especially the Dharma wheel behind it. Okay, let's take a look at the outer packaging, which still follows the traditional packaging of TP products. The contents are divided into 3 layers of blister packaging, namely the holy clothes, the bracket, and the character accessories. The assembly of Saint Cloth is not difficult at all, and the assembly is very smooth. I will only say a few points that need to be paid attention to during assembly. Due to the interference of the bracket head, it is recommended to remove the bracket head parts before installing the breastplate to avoid interference and scratching the electroplated paint. The decorative parts on the calf armor are asymmetrical in design, so when installing the Saint Cloth calf armor, please pay attention to distinguish between the left and right legs. When installing the skirt armor, please note that replacement parts need to be replaced. Although the original skirt armor parts can still be installed in place without any interference, it is recommended to use replacement parts according to the instructions. For the installation of the characters and water effect parts, I suggest that you first install the lower part of the water effect parts to the platform, then install the Saint Cloth, and then install the upper part of the water effect parts. Because the upper part is the connection point with the water bottle and the lower part of the effect parts, the step-by-step installation can effectively avoid interference between parts and be smoother. Then there is the shoulder armor pivot. I was unlucky. The pins on one of the pivots disappeared for no reason. I don't know if it is a fixed phenomenon, but here is a solution for you. Use a 1.5mm copper stake and expand the hole a little to easily insert it. The damping feeling is not bad. I personally feel that the body is a bit unqualified. The shoulders are a bit loose, and the waist joints are very loose. The other key points are still very good, and the tightness and damping are very good. I don't know if it's just me, but TP's quality control department needs to pay special attention. Let's take a look at the wearing process of Saint Cloth. The process is very smooth and there is almost no difficulty. The only slightly difficult point is the combination installation of the skirt armor cloth and the shawl cloth. But with a little patience, it is also very easy. Another thing is that the braids at the back will have some obstacles when wearing Saint Cloth, causing the head to be slightly lowered. You only need to slightly adjust the back buckle to tilt it a little, and you can easily solve this problem. If I have to say which design I prefer, the original God Aquarius or TP, I think both have their own merits and highlights. One is a strong sense of identity with the original setting, and the other is a novel design and a more gorgeous shape, full of inspiration and creativity. I personally prefer TP's design, but if TP can add a little more sense of identity with the original on the basis of the existing design, it will be a great work. At present, the trailer videos of God Libra and God Cancer have also been released. From the shape, these two are very consistent with the original, and each has a better evolution setting. Let us wait and see the launch of new products.